There is a workshop arranged this weekend about sugarcane plantation.
This year the skiing season will be from June to the end of October.
The University of Melbourne is ranked among the top in the world.
The professor helped me a lot to complete my final assignment.
Are you sure these are size 10 shoes? Because they are a little tight.
People need to understand that logging is not allowed in this area.
Any formal paragraph is divided into an introduction, main body, and conclusion.
Make sure that you bring an extra pair of socks as it gets very cold there.
Many times there is a mass gathering of dolphins at this shore.
The majority of students chose to apply for an extension for their assignment.
Are you sure that this year we don't need to complete the practical booklet?
During the summer, the days are longer and the nights are shorter.
Your assignment won't be submitted if you don't attach this form to the front.
The satellites were sending all the data until the last winter break.
The seminar was impressive, and it was chosen for the state-level competition.
The stadium was packed full of supporters of the England Football Club.
The first immigrants arrived in Australia from Southeast Asia about 40,000 years ago.
Last year the campus recruiters were very eagerly searching for job seekers.
For every game, there will be a profound presence of supporters of the cricket team.
Dolphins use sound waves to navigate underwater, just like blue whales.
The university wants to close the basketball club because of the ongoing misconduct.
Did you bring your log tables? Because it is very essential for today's class.
Early humans used to walk about 10 to 20 kilometers every day in search of food.
The exam timetable will be available on the display board from this afternoon.
Just use the online catalog if you can't find the book you were looking for.
There is an extra maths lecture arranged for this weekend.
The professor was disappointed with the outcome, but he didn't give up.
The lectures will be made available online again from tomorrow.
During camping, always leave the food leftovers away from your tent.
Use the metro, as it is the cheapest means to travel around the city.
An extra provision is made for all the new international students.
The new megacities will need a huge supply of electricity to power their equipment.
To be honest, some of the courses only run for a single term.
Before joining the biology department, I worked in the maths department.
There is a special time management seminar for those who are always falling behind.
There is a profound connection between exercise and brain health.
The university will provide you a bus pass, which will make the fare cheaper.
The speaker mentioned two things which are the basic causes of anxiety among children.
We need to approach communication in an open way.
I need all the names of your group members by next week Monday.
Researchers are looking for a fresh talent that will lead their projects.
I have devoted almost all of my life to improve building design.
A breath of fresh air means the things that feel new and appealing.
Some island nations are experiencing loss of land due to the rise of water level.
Air pollution levels were very high before we were in charge of the situation.
How many students are willing to learn more in less time?
People in their middle age tend to be happier than older ages.
75% of the students reported that they fear speaking in public.
Perhaps surprisingly, young people are the most in the category of being broke.
If you can't find the lecture theater, just use this online map.
Communication is always an exchange of a dialogue between two people.